Hello everyone. So today we will be making Sweet-Nutri juice. The ingredients which we need for it are some carrot, apple, beetroot and pomegranate. Now we will be needing a mixer and we'll put all these into this mixer. We will keep some fruit left for last as a topping. Now we'll grind all the fruits in mixer. The mixture will be somewhat like this. Now we will move ahead to further process. Now we'll take out the mixing pot and we'll put a sieve here. We'll take a bowl. We'll put the sieve here. We'll pour the mixture slowly on this. We'll take out it like this. We'll push it. We will do it like this with the mixture. We will do the same with the left mixture. Now we will move to the serving process. We will pour the left fruit in this glass. Now we will pour this juice in the glass. It is very tasty and it also looks very healthy for us. So you can try the recipe of my juice. Thank you.